Alright, so today what I'll be doing is some cardio workout. Right, I'll give you about 10 minutes work. This does not include the stretches. I'll be up and around using the area that I have, which is very small for me, but nevertheless the work has to go on. So what I like to have when I'm exercising is my music playing, so that I have a rhythm that I'm exercising to. You know, I like to have that. So I'm gonna start now. So don't want to have much of the rhythm in the exercise thing, because copyright infringement, I don't want that to happen. And this is just for the feet. So with this one, I'm gonna be up here, almost like what I've been doing here. So I'm going right in it. Just straight demonstration, because these exercise takes momentum. So you want to make sure you have the momentum going. It's not about strength, not about speed. It's about momentum. You have to be in a rhythm. So here you go. So the next order of business here, gonna do some frog jumps. Up here, gonna go a couple. So stay tuned, guys. Here we go. What I have in here, if you heard it just fizz a while ago, is vitamin C tablet, lime juice and water. And you know vitamin C is for immune system. So it's a little rehydration for me, plus water. So you need to have these when you're exercising. Especially if you're exercising in humid conditions, you need these. All right, back to work again. Yeah, so guys, so that's it for my little bit more than 10 minutes worth of exercise. I'm gonna give you a little bonus of the step exercise. I don't normally come to this place without doing the steps. I can't. It's one of the main cardio burners for me. So stick around for it. I'm heading this way. This is where the steps are. See you. I'm ready for it. Yep, time to go. It's right here. Gonna be doing 5 rounds, which is up and down is 1. Yeah, so go. Right down to the last flight of step. We go. 1. 2. 5. Oh, this thing make you get dizzy, trust me. Peace out, guys.